Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, people, the thing gets serious, you know, because word on the street is blam blam, burn up the woman, your man vehicle, and light up our house with bare pepper shell. People putting out the comment section. Where anything about that, because you know, say, she did leak out him, you know what, passport information and video with him asleep on the floor. And I say him a broke man and be man and all type of things a scorned woman says. You know what I mean? Because it look like some $1 million thing, scamming thing go downhill. You know what I mean? So that's why them say him, you know what, to the people, them in retaliation. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So let's hear what Blams have to say about the situation at hand, and then we'll proceed with the next. Cause boy, him say she team up with Shelly. So you know Shelly and Squash get it too.
When they call up much man name, when they call up much man name, some man we are top general, call up some man name for me there. And then when things reach, you know, call me name. A look a big thinking pussy girl. Now call me name look a big mouth, low life, dirty girl. Now call me name about paper. Remember say me a informer, you know. Me more figure a police station than shoot up paper. Now turn like on me for no shooting, dirty girl, and go suck your mama. Me more figure a station go inform than shoot you up. Dirty girl. Now call me name about me shoot you up, dirty girl. Now do that big thinking pussy girl. Me no know nothing about that. Go suck your mama. Me a informer. Dirty crosses dav. Go suck your mama. You press you want to send me. First you come. You team up with Shelly and Dirty Squash mama. You team up with them, I call up my name. Big pussy thinking Shelly. You team up with Shelly if you call up my name. And then when I team up with Shelly, just to say you're not going to have 300 people that watch you. Dirty girl. You call up much man name. Much man name they call up. Me a informer, me feds me work with, me a police informer. Me more figure a station go call your name. Don't shoot you up. Not turn like upon me not even money for go do shooting. You know, come here and say me sell me chain them. Me sell me chain and me broke. Me sell me chain them and me broke and me nah no money. Not now go on for me. Me broke and nah no money and me sell me chain them. And not now go on for me. Me broke like a dog, me not even have dry shit. No, me nah no money, so me fit stand from blood clot fight war with people. I only they fight war with people, I only they buy gun at Jamaica, and they give youth them, and they give man them at Jamaica for go shoot up Delta them. Delta, say Delta about 100,000. A dirty girl, remember say a scammer, you know, you're a dirty scammer. I scam senior citizen. Dirty girl, no, you're all scammer. Tell the police them say a scammer, no call me name to police. Dirty girl. Because me no want no shooting where I come with. Because suck out them other girl. Me no want no shooting, no call me name about no shooting, bro. And go suck out your mother girl, me a informer. No turn like upon me but me shoot you up. Go and go fight a war with people. No come involve me because you must be dirty low life girl. Dirty thinking mouth girl. You come here and contradict yourself. Remember when they tell people say rich, you know. And you chop much money and you TikTok scammer. And you chop much million out of US. And when look we still get eviction. You see you chop much million out of US. Then you look at eviction you get. Then you come. Oh, America have ups and downs. So and then you come again and say rich. You see, I contradict yourself. Dirty, suck good girl. Go suck your money, come in here and no shooting. No shooting now. I see you every day you tell like, make you want to send me a person, dirty girl. Me no know about no shooting. No, me no know about no shooting. I'm going to go to police station today. Go make a report. Say your definition of character. So you tell like for me. Go suck out your mother girl. First you say me call up much man name. Don't tell like for me dirty thinking girl. Go fight your war. You know for your money. Go fight war for your money, dirty girl. Dirty dog shit. Dirty low life girl. Go and go fight your war. Me go make a report to their station. Me go call the police. And me go give them my name. And me go make a report for your dirty blood clot for definition of character. Dirty girl. Go suck your mom and go fight your war. Dirty nasty girl. You know they give man a Jamaica money and they buy much gun. Remember me have a picture of gun them where you buy, you know. Dirty girl. Remember you they give one dan money for buy gun, you know. Me have a picture of gun them. Go suck your mama one dan, when you buy much gun, you not fight too much war, you all criminal. Me have to hide, because I don't want to send out my address. You go give people my address, so I can't live on my yard again. Boy, I can't sleep comfortable people, I want help. I can't sleep comfortable at night, people, I can't sleep up on the road I live. People on the road I live, I can't sleep on my yard, because they send out my address. And I don't have money to move. You give people, you send out my passport. I don't know how people for they take passport in a chain. Somebody can take picture in a passport in a chain. Which passport size picture people have been ears ring, half and chain? You know say that I edit. You know eat that? All people fi take picture of people passport and having ears ring and having chain. Somebody kept that a read una idiot when sister done said. Una sister done said. No say edit girl edit up picture and put there and put say interview cancel and go suck your mug and tell her about me drunk. Which somebody not right. Somebody can have interview somebody can have blood clot when him in a chain in a I mean all him never have that to blood clot. I must the government. And me are the government then. I must the bumbuckler government. Why blame them if the government? Oh, I'm here the government. I'm here the government. Dirty girl go fight your war. Yeah, your man a all gunman. Yeah, your man a gunman and thief. You know a scammer. You know do sweepstakes scamming. You know do sweepstakes. You know call all paper and trick them so they win money and thief then client. See, dirty girl, you get eviction here. Dirty girl, go talk about your eviction you get. Dirty girl, go talk about your eviction, dirty junker. Dog shit, go talk about eviction you get. And no call me name dirty girl. People me no live nowhere sake of them. Me no live nowhere sake of them. See there, the girl get eviction. People sake of them, me no live nowhere. Sake of them, me no right now I want blood clot place to catch up. Me no live nowhere sake of them people. Me want no help. When you send me, you can't send. Go suck your mama, girl. Now turn like on me, junker. Don't turn like on me and go suck your mama. People have not done me. Then team up with Fred man, them and Maestro them, and the girl send them your address. You hear what the girl say? The girl say, nah, send them your address for here. He must send them your address private. Or dirty gunman them. Squash them, we will get RICO charge. Squash them, we involved in a gun and shooting. Dirty squash them, we are killing much people. Fred man them, we are killing much people. Dirty Fred man them, oh God, Fred, me afraid of them. Me afraid people, me afraid of Fred man them, they gonna kill me. Baby, me afraid of Fred man them. And the girl give Fred man them your address. Me need no help people. Wanna help me, make me move, cause me nah no money, me broke. Me nah no money, nothing nah go on. Me tell I said then people, I don't have dollar. Me not even have dry shit. Where me get money from? Me broke like a dog. Me owe about 3 months payment pan the car. When me take out. All 4 months, me owe about 3 months payment pan the car me take out. Me can't pay payment a month time. So how the fuck me for your money? Me get their money, they rich. Them a scammer, they are much scamming money up at their yard, they are much scamming check. Me can't show any check them where they have. Cause if scam, they are much scamming money. Cause me thief 40 your time phone. I dirty a scammer them, they are much scamming money. A dirty scammer them, ask them how that girl never worked for the day in barn. That girl never did ask him. Them are up much fraud tire shop business. We not now go and feed them business there. And they wash money show you. Go suck me broke like a dog, me not have no money. Hey girl, go suck your mama and go fight your war. Now mix me. Dirty thinking girl. Dirty. And Nikki, see Nikki can help me with you and send me to lion. Nikki can help me and send me to lion. Go suck your mama, y'all call all the human name. They tell life, human know say you're crass. It's human so. Look how human know still can send me gift. Go suck out your mother dirty girl. I'll show Nikki go there asleep then now. Make you no can send me some gift. Me I come back for your dirty blood clot later. Hey girl, don't mix me name on top, call up people name. Yeah, call up much man name so then shoot you up. No turn like on people dirty girl and go fight your war. Go suck out your mama. Much man name you call. In dog shit. Dirty thinking girl. Look what man name you call. No call me name, me not no money. Go suck your mama. Dirty girl. Go and go fight your war. Yeah, your man. You know all gunman. You know in a war with broken. You in a war with broken. Cause your friend go kill broken friend them. You in a war with broken them up a KDF. Where you say knock up on a KDF. You KDF for this up them. Them in a war with broken. He got thief much man money a gully. He got thief much scamming money. The amount of thing that girl a thief, then somebody no must want to kill him. What make off me? You don't take girl no come. Remember say send Alfred man them me address. Paper me can't sleep on me yard. Me can't sleep on me yard, girl. Oh God, you me have to go run me for further. People no help me. Don't tell me where me go move go now. No turn like on me and go suck out them that thinking, girl. Me more fi go station than call your name. Me more fi go station than do something like that. Me know fi go station and me more fi come on TikTok contact. Me nah do nothing. Go suck your mama. Me a informer. Dirty girl, you can't send me a prison. When the police come for me. Police, you know my name? I don't know if you do a call me phone. Call me right now, police, and me contact you. The girl tell police and me shoot him up. Me? Why? Me to bomba blood clot. Oh, so people, tell me now. Me to blood clot, you know say. Me and somebody argue on internet and really go shoot them because some me done in America this. Me in my right mind. Go really, no, say me argue pan, so me can't argue with somebody on the internet and really go shoot them up. Eh? Me can't really argue with, that's why me done dunce. Me dunce, but me not so stupid. Me a informer. Eh? I mean, I no link boy if you do nothing. Me nah no link boy. The reason why the artists invite me is because they know me have a TikTok and promote the song them. Me not tune, me not tune. Yes. So the reason why the artists invite me is because they know me have a TikTok and promote the song them. Me not tune, me not tune. Yes. Suck out your mother dirty girl. And Skeg know me long time. Me know him. He call up him man name too. Dirty girl. Tap call up him man name because man then no biz boy. You call him man name for drunk. What time you carry your man round the man? Eh? Where I call him man name for? Don't call him man name man. You're too careless man. And bad mind. And dirty hungry belly pops. But I'm not going to do this for them here man. I go look at thing there. When you say no one can't send and tap ramping me. Me don't know I hear me here. Somebody call me a while ago, me don't know. But me, yes. Me say I call up my name, say Ray, and me say Ray, me don't know enough. Girl, if it, why? Don't mix me. Why not mix up my name, girl? Because me not somebody if you're rampant. Me's an informer. Oh. And they call them much man name this girl call. Watch out people not taking things with joke, people on paper. Wanna stop taking things with joke, wanna recharge and send on them people on the top. People I put up my cash app, it don't make sense me it don't make sense me when name there make it sense. People know me put up a cash app. Eh? Don't know what me put up a cash app. So they don't take half out time money. I know my passport that. My passport now no blood clot when name there. Move people. Yo Jabas, say I hear me Jabas. Jabas. You know see all those belong for me. What are them team up all pops them. Jabas you see it. Look how you see pops bring me down. I mean if you see you come out and come help me out. I'm help you out when pops bring you down. You see your tan bro, you say I'm my friend. Jabas you know say they shoot up a girl and the girl I tell her I say they give police me info say me.
I thought which girl?
The girl with the internet say I expose me. And they team up with pops. I mean, not going to shoot, they tell me a lie for me, I have to go to station to make a report. I don't know nothing about what them talk about, and the girl tell me a lie for me, bro.
Oh, you're a squad, yeah, sir.
Yeah. Nah, not to do it, me not going to shooting, bro. Me not get tell lie for me, bro, cause, bro, me more fit, you know me tell already, me more fit contact you on internet, bro. Me more fit contact on internet, bro. Me not look no clout or nothing, bro. Me more fit contact you on internet, say, this and that and rare. Me not come blood clot rare, me a informer, me not do shooting, bro. Me a informer, bro. No mix me name in a shooting, bro. Me a informer. Me is a informer. Me not a straight youth. No gang, me no link with people, bro, with them type of person. Me is a informer, bro. Me more fi call your name, me more fi inform for you, bro, than blood clot when name there.
They go to the station already.
Me call, me tell it, me tell the police them, bro. Me call. Me make a report for them, bro. Cause me there fi make a report, bro. Cause you are going now, them a tell too much lie for me, bro. You see me?
So you want Pops him a chat say? Eh? Where one Pops my chat say?
Pops my team up to the people. Yo, send the paper there, father. You know the pan speaker. Send the paper there.
My Pops go support him.
Send me paper. Hurry up, send. And send one cash up too. Come in the bigger thing. Bro, Pops I want batty boy, bro. People want to help me, people. People, me showing you something, bro. You see? Me know when nothing do me, bro, you come a ball, bro. I want to send money to bury me. Send me money for I know people make me move. You see me?
So play so much of BLAMDEM.
Oh, yeah. Me no want no gift money. I want the money full in amount.
Well, me want to give money in a BLAMDEM.
I want the money in a gift. I want the money full. Oh. That look because suck your mother and tap comment there, bro. No tap there, bro.
What them a comment?
All kind of fuck you, dog. And them people come like a dead, they want to see me dead. But I take life a joke, bro. Them are people that comment about on something, bro. Dog, gonna tap there, bad man. On a serious thing, bro.
First gift double chat. Yo, cash my black you from page. You might try to tell her that blood clot here. Oh.
Who that there? My name?
No, boy, I wear politics chattings in me about me sell out PMP. I don't know if I politics chattings in me, because I don't know nothing about me, brother. I want to go, man. I want to run down politics and still hungry like a dog.
Bro, I'm afraid of Chip Chop a long time gone, man. You squash them sing about him. I'm afraid of him. Chip Chop all gone, man.
First gift double chat.
I'm afraid of Chip Chop. Chip chopper gunman, them and they a killer, bro. Them and they I say them and they and the girl link up with it, you know. I mean if them and they a top killer, bro. Me afraid bad man, me fear for my life. I mean if the dog a killer. Me know say right. Me know him a killer. Me no want him hold me, please. That's why I want to move people, because I no want him hold me. Yeah, bro. Me a come off of this, and all I no go suck with no matter with no money. Dad, me a come off of this, and a clown thing on the pan. No come like no say girl want send me a prison. And I better when I get that problem, no take it serious. Eh? Dad, me no like you, bro. Dad, me a call me say me can get to Nikki. No take share life to her. Cause no a pussy youth. No a pussy, bro. Cause no take life a joke youth. Suck out to no matter. You can't style me, boy, dog. You not take life a joke too much, bad man.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. You know, I don't get these tea-list that story, let me know. Cause everybody sound like say them are inform and incriminate upon themselves with all of these federal crimes that we're seeing, you see me? But time will tell who I go at hell, right? So in the meantime, subscribe, hit the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Please.